Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed review of Funding Pipes, a proprietary trading firm that's been gaining serious attention in 2025. I'll cover everything you need to know, what it is, how it works, its main features, the pricing, the pros and cons, and finally I'll share a balanced verdict on whether it's worth your time. So let's get started. Funding Pipes is a proprietary trading firm, or simply a prop firm, that funds skilled traders who can prove that they can trade responsibly and profitably. Instead of trading with your own money, you trade their capital, following specific rules like drawdown limits and specific profit targets. When you pass their challenge, you gain access to a funded account, and from there, you can earn a share of the profits that you make while the firm takes a smaller cut. What sets Funding Pipes apart is how it approaches trader funding. The company offers multiple challenge formats, including a one-step, two-step, and even a zero-challenge model, which lets certain traders get started faster. These different options give traders flexibility depending on how experienced they are or how much risk they want to take. Funding Pipes also supports major trading platforms like MetaTrader 5 and CTrader, so if you've traded Forex or indices before, the setup will feel very familiar. Now, when you first land on their website, you notice that they emphasize low cost entry, fast payouts, and transparent rules. The firm claims to focus on helping traders grow consistently while still enforcing solid risk management practices. They advertise profit split ups to 80% or even 100% of top tier funded traders and promote weekly payout options, which is actually faster than what many traditional prop firms offer. Now let us talk about the main features of Funding Pipes. Multiple challenge models. You can choose from one-step, two-step, zero-step, or three-step challenges. The zero-challenge model is designed for experienced traders who want to skip the evaluation phase. How about the trading platforms that are supported? Funding Pipes supports both MetaTrader 5 and CTrader, which are two of the most popular trading platforms in the world. That's great news if you're already comfortable using them for your own strategy. The account sizes and scaling. They offer a range of account sizes starting from smaller accounts for beginners up to larger funded accounts for experienced traders. There's also a scaling plan that allows you to increase your capital over time if you maintain consistency and low risk. Profit splits. Funding Pipes promotes high profit sharing ratios, typically around 80%. And top traders being eligible for even higher percentages. And that's very competitive compared to many traditional prop firms that cap their splits at 70%. Fast payouts. One of the most talked about features is the weekly payout system. It allows traders to withdraw profits more frequently than most other firms. Risk management rules. They enforce clear daily and overall drawdown limits to promote responsible trading. True, the rules are strict but transparent, which helps maintain fairness across the board. There is an entire page dedicated to the terms of use in a fully simulated environment. Now let us talk about the pricing. When it comes to pricing, Funding Pipes offers some of the most affordable entry fees. For example, the 5K account has the price of $29, as low as that. The $10K account has the price of $55, and the price goes higher as the account size increases. Of course, as seen, the prices vary depending on the challenge type and the account size that you use. What are the pros and cons of using Funding Pipes? First, the pros. Low entry costs. It's one of the most budget-friendly ways to try for a funded trading account. Flexible challenge options. You can pick between one-step, two-step, or zero evaluation paths depending on your skill. Platform compatibility. You can trade on MetaTrader 5 or CTrader, both reliable, widely used trading platforms. Generous profit splits. The potential to keep 80% or more of your profits is also appealing. And the scaling opportunities. Consistent traders can grow their account sizes significantly over time. How about the cons? As it is with many online trading platforms, the mixed online reputation is a key. Some traders praise Funding Pipes for smooth payouts and fair challenges, while others have reported execution or slippage issues. So it's usually good to test with a smaller challenge first before committing more money. And the rules are strict, especially the daily and overall drawdown limits. Also, the evaluation fees are non-refundable if you fail a challenge. So the big question is Funding Pipes really one of the best prop firms in 2025? Well, in my opinion, Funding Pipes has earned its place among the top contenders for traders looking to get funded this year. The combination of low cost entry, multiple challenge options, high profit splits, and fast payouts make it an attractive choice for both beginners and experienced traders. However, it's important to stay realistic. The prop firm space is highly competitive and sometimes controversial. If you treat Funding Pipes as a professional funding partner rather than a quick profit shortcut, it can be a great tool to advance your trading journey. The key is discipline. Follow the rules, manage risk, and take advantage of the scaling potential. And that's it on the review of Funding Pipes. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore FTMO, MyForex Funds, and the Fivers. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.